So to fix this problem, first of all, what you have to do is to just tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then after that restart your device. So when you restart your device and it's still not working and the problem is still there, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then after that scroll and try to search for your Google Play Store app. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on the update that appears over here. But when it appears open like my own, just leave it like that. And what you have to do is to just go to your phone menu again and try to search for Reddit app. So tap on Reddit app, then after that, tap on this symbol which is located over here down below. So tap on this symbol. So when you tap on the symbol, it's going to send you to the app info of Reddit. When you get over here, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is turned on. So after that, go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is turned on. Make sure notifications that are down below are all turned on like this. You also have to turn on all of them on. Then after that, go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So to restart your device, just tap on your power button for some while. This is going to pop up. Tap on restart and tap on OK. It depends on the device you're using. When you tap on your power button for some while, you're going to wipe to the top, down, right or left, and or it's the same process. When you see reboot, it's also the same process. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.